Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. We're back. Oh, I know. You missed us.
I had another.
We had a couple of them shots that we had last round. It was quite good.
But you can't have one. No.
Can't just have one. But we are moving along, and this is inspired by our pumpkin spice lovers. Okay,
Y'all know who y'all are.
all those folks that are the first in line when Starbucks announces the pumpkin spice latte.
Population has grown.
This is for you.
I'm
Okay,
disgusted.
this is for you. This is the spiced pumpkin punch. Okay. And I know you're like, for why? But I feel like
we have to cater to them because they're. I mean, y'all run deep. I don't know. Y'all close to the Bayhive. No, I'm wrong about that. They not close to the Bayhive.
I don't know. Yeah,
They up
might
there.
be. They might be up there.
Yeah.
They might be up there. But what I will say is, you were a little ambivalent about this.
Everybody want to put stuff in pumpkin spice and spice pumpkin and everything.
I get it. But you know, we have our apple ciders here. You know, pumpkin spice is another fall favorite that we have to cater to, like you said. So we're gonna Tis the season. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna run through the ingredients, and then we're gonna put this together. Okay. All right. So you're gonna need bourbon. Okay. We're using 1792 today.
Yeah.
Yes.
We had to get the year straight.
I had to get the year
It was
right.
before we was born, so
But
that was out.
Yes, it was before we were.
Anything
born.
after 91, I mean, prior to 91, I don't know nothing about it, other than my parents. Thank you, Natasha Antoine.
So I was
Shout out to
88
you.
though.
I mean, I'm glad you're here. I mean,
This heifer. Anyways.
yeah.
Silencio, you.
Ooh,
Okay. Honey. Need that honey.
Need that Pooh Bear.
You know what I'm saying? The cinnamon is gonna come in at the end with a little dash, okay? Cinnamon stick, again, for garnish, you know what I'm saying? Lemon juice, pumpkin spice puree, and it's gonna be topped off with a ginger beer. Oh, and we also have grated some ginger.
Yes, we're fancy.
We just so that the people that invented this particular recipe, we was about to use the ground ginger, but then we read your note and the shade in it, we didn't appreciate it. Like, if you must talk about, you can use ground ginger if you must. Well, heifer, what if that was all I had? That's all I'm saying. Anyway, we went with the fresh option. Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, we have our vessel of choice with ice, and we have our shaker with ice. Okay. Let's get started.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess I'll start with the pumpkin puree, because that could be, you know how these purees be, little,
Yeah.
they be dashing.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
It's gonna be 1 ounce of this, okay?
1 ounce.
1 ounce. You know, get it nice and pumpkin-y. Woo! Wow, that's thick.
I was about to say something, but I'm gonna mind my business.
Yeah.
Stay in my department.
You know, you could say it. I mean,
That's what I said.
Yeah, you could say whatever you say. It's your show too. You know what I'm saying?
With my Nene leaks.
I said what I said.
I said what I said, and I'm not changing on it, okay?
Period, poo. Okay. All right, and
You've been hanging around Ebony a little too
just
long.
a little bit.
Yeah.
It's been yeah.
Ooh, child.
Then we're gonna do a teaspoon of honey.
So we're stirring this, right?
We are.
Okay.
We're gonna stir and then shake.
We had our experience where we shook and we didn't stir.
1 ounce. Okay, it said fresh lemon juice.
You know how we do.
This is what was in my refrigerator.
Right.
Judge
if
your
I got
mama.
time to go over and squeeze lemons, When I could just get a bottle and keep the code.
Okay. Whatever.
Been hanging around Mr. Moat too long, but I guess that's
my husband, so I guess there's that.
there's that.
I mean,
There's
it's
that.
kind of hard not to do. I mean,
He's rubbed off on you, sis. How much is this?
1 ounce of that.
One.
1 ounce of that. 1 ounce, baby. That's a throwback. Oh.
I scraped on you again. I'm sorry.
Aren't you always threaten to squeeze some lemon juice my direction, and I don't understand for why.
My bad. Lemon fresh. Have you never felt so fresh?
We're gonna do 2 ounces of this.
Yeah.
I think I'll be okay because it's bourbon based, right? So you
Can't go wrong with bourbon.
Can't go wrong with bourbon.
Better than vodka. But I will say, last episode, vodka did do what it's supposed to do.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't as aggressive as some of the other vodka recipes that we've tried. Okay. Okay. 1/8 of, oh, I'm so sorry.
1/8.
1/8 of a
alright.
teaspoon.
Let's cut the bullshit. I ain't good at math. I'm going
Girl, we gonna shake.
Yeah, there you go. 1/8. Who the fuck come up with these measurements?
I really did have the little, and then I said no. And then, oh yeah, okay. What about oh yes, and 1/8 of the grated ginger.
I know you effing lying. 1/8?
It's really a 1/4. Whatever. Just put some grated ginger up in. Damn, that's gonna be real. Hers is gonna be real spicy.
Well, ginger's good for these type of seasons.
So at this point, we're gonna shake everything together, and I still feel like I have pumpkin puree on the top. So after this, we're probably gonna give it a little stir, because remember we have that honey.
Do the bounce. Ooh.
Yeah.
Bounce with me, bounce with me.
Oh.
That's the only thing I got from Bow Wow from that.
Wow. But according to him, he had the most stellar career of all time.
He be making facial expressions like he got
Like he be killing it.
Right.
All right, bro. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna trust the process.
Yeah, I'm gonna trust it.
All right, we're pouring.
It looks promising, but somehow maybe you have more ice cubes than me or something.
I think I do. I think I did put more ice cubes. Now remember, we're topping this with our ginger beer.
Ooh, 35 calories.
And we're gonna give that a little stir.
I'll just use a spoon.
The teaspoon, yeah, girl. And then, for garnish, we're going to shake a little cinnamon on there.
Cinnamon?
A little cinnamon. And grab us a little cinnamon stick for garnish. We're trying to make it cute. Yeah, it was a little stuck. It was a little stuck there.
Damn. Man, I got the granddaddy of all granddaddies.
You could have. I guess we could have went Salt Bay on. Okay, little. Okay.
That's the most you're gonna see me get to something looking like that, cause I don't do that.
Could have went a little Salt Bay on the cinnamon. Scooch it out.
Oh, my bad.
We want to see the final product. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
It look potent.
Now, mind you, my cinnamon stick sunk.
Oh wait,
but
I did put a cinnamon stick in there, didn't I?
It kind of sunk at the bottom. But overall, I feel like it's looking appealing.
It's marinating.
It's marinating. There you go. So let's go ahead and let's try this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, no, hold on.
I got a nail.
You got my nail. Sorry.
My bad.
Oh, wait a minute.
I don't know if that's the 35 calories working in my system right now, making me feel good about myself. Hold on. Hold on, wait. I gotta get one more just so I can get the
Wait a minute. Do you No.
Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished?
Philly, I ain't even from Philly. I'm so sorry for my friend's actions. She ain't know what she had done. She's on the West Coast from Seattle, where they rain and it pours.
First of all, chill out, fam. The drink is good.
But you said the lyrics wrong. So disrespectful to you.
I did.
And he said it with all his heart.
He did say it, and that's why, whatever. You can look at the song. You know what I'm saying?
So I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Go first.
Sorry. Okay. This is a lot. This is not necessarily what I thought was going to happen here, but I like it.
Good way, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good. Definitely good. So my concern was, how does like pumpkin spice work effectively in a cocktail? that's where I was like concerned, like where it was going. But with the cinnamon, the lemon, and of course bourbon, like you can't go wrong with bourbon. I just think that it altogether as a ensemble works very well. So I'm gonna give this like an 8.5. I think creativity wise also, it is like one of the more unique recipes that I've seen out there. So I definitely appreciate that aspect as well. I would maybe not necessarily order this right off Bucks, but it is very good. And if somebody gave it to me, I would absolutely drink it.
Okay, right. No, I agree.
Your thoughts.
All right, so me personally, I do not get pumpkin. I don't know what it is, I don't get pumpkin. I get more of a apple spice, more so, like an apple pie, back to what we did on the first episode. I don't get pumpkin. Okay. But, you know, to each its own. Everybody's palate's different. That's why some people's food is nasty and some people are not. But nonetheless, it's still a good drink. It's just, I'm not getting the pumpkin. So for me, title's a little bit misleading on my behalf. I mean, as far as what I think, but overall, this is a great drink. I would order this seasonally around the time of the year, which is what, October, November? Yeah. But the rate that I would give this will be a 10. I like it. I don't have a complaint. I give it a 10. But if I had to be a real stickler, I would give it a 9 just off of because I was hoping for pumpkin if I ordered it. But I mean, the drink itself is not bad. I like it.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little ginger bits from the grating.
The what?
The ginger. I'm getting the grated ginger. It's a little crunchy. So I would probably I'd probably double strain mine next time. So, you know, I would shake it with the grated ginger because you obviously want that to come out, that flavor to come out, but maybe I don't need to be kind of getting...
You know, ginger's good for you though.
It is good for you.
It's good around this time of the season. Time of the season.
Are you lushing?
Because I had a couple shots already. Yes, I probably am. I'm on my way there. I'm not there yet, but I'm on my way. I'm on the train.
Oh,
passing through.
We're halfway there. Sorry. I was inspired. I'm gonna shut up. You got it, girl. You got it.
I don't know what I was going to say. I'm so sorry for what?
Listen.
Mama, no.
All right, so I really messed her up. My bad. I didn't think I was gonna kill your train of thought.
That's like the same thing that happened at prelims when the mic started acting up and it threw me off.
Well, this is good practice. This is good practice. Real life happens. Somebody might interrupt you. No? We don't think so?
Okay. You just busted out in a freaking karaoke song. But I do like Bon Jovi though. I'm not even gonna lie though. I like that song though. Yeah, Bon Jovi's my dog. But anyway, yes, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
How did you say the last time? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I apologize. Oh, child. She's really, I did not think she was gonna get in her feelings like that. I mean, I do this often, like when we're just goofing around and she's pressed. So my bad, bruh. Anyway, y'all know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. You must taste this. Put this in your little Friendsgiving a lineup. Okay, I think this is cute for that.
It's a nice holiday drink.
I think it's a nice holiday drink. Let us know what you think. Also, feel free to share with us some of your holiday favorites. Not Hennessy, please.
No Hennessy. But I mean, if y'all do give us it, just make sure it's good. Because if not, we won't definitely tell you about it.
We're gonna put you on blast.
Because I have no filter, clearly. The only filter I have is when the cameraman bleeps me out. But other than that, it is what it is.
Yeah.
But again, I wanted y'all to know, just because y'all watch the videos, that does not mean that y'all are subscribing to it. I'm gonna need for you to subscribe.
Hit the bell.
To the videos. so y'all can stay up to date, because I know a lot of y'all be missing episodes, and y'all be like, what episode
Oh my
was
God,
that?
what episode was that?
Yeah. Subscribe. And then
Subscribe.
also ring that bell. You know what I'm saying? Ring the alarm. Ring the alarm. I don't know.
Wow, okay, so just like I messed up the lyrics, thank you, okay.
Cue the music. Beyonce.
She's singing better than all of us, so, you know. Anyway, our point is, at least if you're gonna send us something, be creative with it. That's my only request,
My only request is, please don't send me vodka, but if you do, just make sure you love me about it, all right?
I mean, it's fine.
No Taylor Port.
Oh, please, Jesus. But no more, not the communion juice. Not the communion juice,
No
please.
sir, no ma'am.
Please.
But anyways, we'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Yeah.